Hello friends, in this video I will show how to create area chart in Microsoft Word. So click on insert, then chart. Here select area. You can select any style. Click on OK. Now in this Excel worksheet you can change data as your need. Once you're done, exit it. You can change the style. You can give a name for this chart. Once you click on this plus icon, here you can add data labels, data table, error bar. You can add or remove any options from this list. Once you click here, you can change style. You can change layout. Thanks for watching.